guys remember the 1988 Whirlpool Dehumidifier. Sad thing is, it's been a few years since I properly cleaned it, and now's the time. See how dirty it got in the blades, and that's the exhaust side here. So, but that said, if you remember at China Pride, Comfort Air unit that lasted 1.5 years before failing. I've had this for over 6 years now, and also considering it is 28 years old, still works fantastic, no issues. So in this video, oh boy, yeah, that evaporator coil is pretty nasty. Yikes. That was my fault for letting it go, but it won't hurt it. It just, we'll be taking care of that shortly. I have the front cover in the dishwasher just doing a quick rinse since it has the wood grained labels on it. The rear cover is obviously going to be the worst of it. This and that are going to get the heavy duty pots and pans cycle to get it fully clean. And here it is after I was given, first I soaked it with Simple Green, then rinsed it off. That'll get all the dirt off. Then I sprayed some coil cleaner on it. There's probably some gunk in there I'll have to clean out by hand afterwards, but got most of it out. So I'm going to bring it inside and put it in front of the fan. Let it dry out now. And here's the dehumidifier all cleaned up. The black marks you see on the evaporator, it's like, I don't know, not stained or whatever, but there's no dirt in there. It's just sort of discolored in a few places. From what I don't know, but anyhow, the rest of it is absolutely spotless, as you can see. When I first got it, I didn't even go to this extreme with cleaning it. I just basically wiped it down. But as you can see, it's clean now. It's the motor. And, number 20 non-detergent oil, lube at each end. So we'll just do this. I'm probably going to put the camera down briefly for this because it's such a small tube. Alright, I finished cleaning the inside of the case. There we got the shelf for a cabinet. And just wanted to show you this weather stripping here. I actually added it back in 2010. The original one was completely deteriorated, so it isolates the cabinet from the actual dehumidifier itself, so there's no rattles or anything in case there's any little vibration. Okay, so now we're going to reassemble, and here it is back in the same place it was 6 years ago. It's a little noisy in here. HVAC is running over there, fans running in the background. So let's see what we got. There it goes. So yeah, this is year 6 of me owning it, and it still works the same as I bought it. It's 28 years old, it still works. It uses less energy than a modern piece of crap from made in China Pride. Talk about a wasteful society. All these new ones only last a year.
You've been filling up the landfill so fast, Mother Nature be like, slow down! And you'd be like, fuck you, and kick her in the face.
Energy Star!